So I came across this jump a little while back, and it's a pretty significant jump because there you go, you can have a little look at it, and it launches you straight into the gully. There would be 2 or 3 meters to be able to jump, and a fall of about 1 meter, and it looks pretty sick, right? And you know, as soon as I saw it, I was like, yeah, I want to do that because that will be fully awesome. But I thought, well, how do I make this decision? And if a crowd was here and I had somebody to please, would it be different? And if I'm by myself, should I be pushing myself outside my comfort zone to do a jump that would be potentially cool? And I guess when making decisions about peer pressure and whether we should do something or not, I've come to the conclusion that we should first of all ask ourselves a few questions. So it's the act of considering whether these things are possible and whether they are worthwhile that helps us to decide whether we should do something or not. And so for instance, if the outcome of this particular jump could be that it was fully sick, I launch off into the gully, land it perfectly, roar up the other side and get a real buzz probably for the rest of that day. Alternatively, I fall off, break my leg, and I'm up in the wilderness with nobody to rescue me, and that then negatively affects other people, not to mention myself, and I can't do anything for the next 2 or 3 months. So there's actually a good possible outcome. I think of other decisions in life, and whether to, you know, take alcohol or try some drugs, and mostly the outcomes for that is negative. It's negative for the person who does it, but it's also negative for the people around them, because essentially people get hurt. So sometimes people encourage you to do things, and it's because they want you to develop. And getting outside your comfort zone helps you to be able to learn. Finding out how strong or skillful your body can be, and you know, putting that into practice is a God-given gift, and we have to use those talents the best that we possibly can. And the Bible talks about us how we should use those talents, otherwise we are wicked and lazy. So when you're deciding stuff in your life and other people are encouraging you to do that, maybe just stop and pray for a moment and say, hey God, is this something you want for my life? Is this going to hurt me or hurt others? Or is it going to be an outcome which can help me to develop as a person in my identity or physically? And then maybe we'll make better decisions, and our good friends around us can encourage us to step outside that comfort zone in a positive way. Have a good day.